Hello everybody, my name is Niliam and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. I have some very exciting news. I recently received a package from the Royal Telens company, which is the parent company to a popular acrylic paint brand, Amsterdam. I'm sure if you are already in the artistic scene, you've probably heard of this particular brand. But the package that was sent to me had a 24 set of their General Selection colors, of the Amsterdam General Selection color. And I have actually never tried this brand or any of these colors before. So I was super excited because I was going to have the opportunity to share with you all my experience with these paints. For this particular tutorial, I chose to do two separate techniques, and because I wanted to basically see how well the paints behaved, how they mixed with my pouring mediums, and more importantly, how they dried. All of the materials I used are listed in the description box below. And as always, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, as I would love to continue on making great content for you all. For all you know, maybe I will have the opportunity to continue on testing new products and showing you guys how I go about using them. So with all that being said, let's get right into the video. So I noticed that I didn't have to use that much paint in order to get the right consistency and vibrancy I was looking for. This was a great sign, especially because ultimately you want your paints to not only look good but also be cost friendly. So, having the opportunity to mix whatever quantity of paint with more medium and still get great result, that would be that. I mean, that's an ultimate win. If you've made it this far into the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and leave me a comment in the section below. So for my second pour, I'm using a drain stopper, and I did not use their titanium white as my background color. I wanted to see how the paint would actually interact with other brands. So I used my regular artist Loft with my pouring medium and everything. So yeah. So as you guys can see in the pictures, both of the pieces dried much darker than the original wet pieces. However, that actually made the colors more vibrant. I noticed that on the first piece though, because of the fact that the pink was translucent, I will probably have to do another coating of paint maybe on the edges and the trim, just to make sure that everything is even, nice and even, because I do have a little bit of drip marks. But other than that, I truly really enjoyed experimenting with these paints. So I want to give a big shout out to the Royal Telens brand for sending me these paints. Definitely appreciated, and I look forward to hopefully doing some other product testing for y'all. With all that being said, thank you all so much for watching. Like and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.